Today we're going to go over a classic 2-wire cable. Different manufacturers have these in different colors. We started with tan and yellow when we first designed these 2 years ago. You can still get tan and yellow from another manufacturer. You do not get as high quality of a product as we provide. All of our wires are spiraled and aluminum encased. Helps a lot with interference, especially with this being a security gateway and running a CAN network. This is probably your ideal one that you want to use. To date, we have had 0 issues. A lot of the issues that you do see are covered in our other video while flashing. But here we go. On our new ones, there's still some yellow and white ones that are still kicking around, but our new ones come with instructions for 18, 19, and 20. 18 is different from 19 and 20. The pins and pin locations are not. So, purple is pin 6, gray is pin 14. That is your OBD2 pinout. So let's install this. So here's your OBD2 port. We prefer to use a pick tool like that. Push gray tab there, gray tab there. Pull out the pin. On the front of this OBD2 port, there'll be pin locations. Go to pin 6, stick that in, pull out tan wire. Now, there's a little tab right there. I don't know if you can see it. That's what you pull back. Go up here, grab your purple for pin 6. Make sure the one pin is facing in. Clicks right in. Go to the other side. Repeat it. Right here. Pin 14. Here's the yellow. Put gray. There you go. Grab the gray connector, click it back in. Other gray connector, click it back in. What you're going to want to do is electrical tape these separately and zip tie them out of the way. Now, you grab this wire and you go to the security gateway. That end right there goes in that orientation, the clip towards the firewall. Now, the one you're going to want to look at is going to be there you go. See the security gateway right there? The green one? Oh, it's a double row green and it's got a black backing. So if you're looking where it is, you're gonna go look right there. You go slowly past, right in there. See it? Now, 5th row from the top is where you're gonna want to go. Disregard that one showing. So there's the black one right there. Right there. Get a good look at it. Our white one I pulled down so you can see the difference. The white is a 1 row with green, the other one is black and green. Now, the black and green, the row to the left, as you can see, which is towards the driver's seat, 5th pin down is where you want to connect this. Now, on a 2018, you can put it in any of them that have green on them. But on the 19s, it has to be the black and green. The row towards the driver's seat, pin 5 down. And we'll put that on real quick. Don't forget the 54. Oh, that was a bitch. So, right there. You can see where it's plugged in. Alright, and that is the install of our 2-wire bypass.